All right, well, this is our next large project we got going around the property here. I've been putting this off for about a year and just finally kind of motivated to dive into it. So we're going to take you guys along on many episodes with different items being repaired on this camper. So it is I think it's a 16-foot camper, 1972. We got it used, obviously, on online, and met the guy, and he had basically gutted the inside, so it's down to the studs on the inside, and it does have the bathroom in it, but everything else is gutted, completely empty. So we're gonna be, taking this from its current state back to use. So we're gonna use it when we go out camping and whatnot. So we have tin to work on the outside. As you can see, these patches here just don't look that good. We got some roof repair to do, some flooring, some wall repair. I'm currently working on the axles. They're kind of beyond repair and they don't really make them anymore, so getting new ones of those. Kind of looking into the bathroom and seeing how that's going. There's a lot that we're going to be doing on this. So again, I have never owned one of these. I have never worked on any. So this is going to be a learning experience for me, and I'd like to bring you guys along. So again, it's a little daunting, and I think that's why I've been putting it off. But I appreciate you guys, watching my project videos, on the channel, and I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking my videos. But I really would like you guys to stick along with this one. This is going to be an adventure, and I'm going to learn as I go, and would like to bring you guys along with us on this process.